Hi guys, yeah, so if you couldn't tell by the title, today I'm gonna be trying to do a James Charles makeup tutorial with paint. This bitch is gonna have so many pimples, her face is gonna break out, but you know what? My face is already effed up, so... Okay, so I'm gonna skip to the part where he starts the eyeshadow because that's the fun part.
She invited me to her documentary premiere.
So first of all, we are going to take the color let me just make up a color. Okay. Orangey red. Okay, so I added some agua and I acted up. Who was surprised? No one is. Me veo como una chula, pero está bien. Todo está bien, lobo. Water break. Okay, so I put in the purple. Now we are gonna blend the blue. Ready for Coachella! Coachella 2018. So my dog, she looks terrified right now. She was giving me a really bad look. Hi, yeah. I know I look horrible. So now we're gonna skip 100,000 steps and we are gonna get to the fun part. Okay, so I don't have any white paint. I obviously wasn't prepared at all. So we're gonna take yellow instead. And you know what? Everyone loves yellow. Who doesn't love yellow? Yellow is a fun, bright color. We don't need white. Obviously, the whole point of the video is the white canvas. I mean, blank the blank canvas look. But we are gonna use yellow instead because we are gonna make it more bright and happy. I'm trying to make a video. Thank you. So obviously they look pretty much alike. Anyways, that was a video that was really bad. Oh, horrible. I am so sorry. I hope you enjoyed. You guys want to create my look? Go ahead. You know, I really loved it. I think it looks great, obviously. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.